Hi, welcome back to Message Center Update Service. This is me, Mark Stokes. Another quick timeline update for you today. This is in relation to Outlook on the web and an extension of the suggested replies worldwide. This is Message Center ID MC231194 and it's a general information. So it's basically just a updated post for clarity. Essentially what's happening is Microsoft's rolling out the capability in Outlook on the web that will actually suggest text for you as you're replying to an email conversation. I've often said that I'm not entirely sure how accurate or useful these are because generally I don't know what the end of my sentence is going to be before I write it. So I'm very keen to see how well this comes through and serves itself. But this is going to be rolling out. It's currently going out late February, which was previously mid-January, and this should be completed by late March 2021. So it is now late February, so I imagine we'll start to see these services rolling through. This is one where I really am interested in how people use it. So whether you actually find value of suggested replies when you're writing emails. I'm interested in how this can come out and how accurate this is going to be. So I do want to hear your feedback. I am very interested. I'm on the fence of how useful I think these are. I think this will be a good sign of how good the machine learning algorithms are that Microsoft has running over this. So quick update, just a short update on the timelines from late February to late March. You'll be seeing this rolling out. You may or may not want to let users be aware of this capability so that it's not a total surprise for them, and maybe even start to poll them to see how useful they think it is. Okay, thank you very much, and I shall see you on the next video.